If you have yellow or orange screen issue on your Samsung Galaxy A27, in order to fix this, first of all, we can open settings. Now, once you open settings over here, then we should be able to find the display settings here in this place. And then in the display settings, you want to check if you have the eye comfort shield enabled. You can of course tap on the option itself, and whether you use adaptive or custom, it doesn't really matter, because in both cases you might have this filter applied on your screen. So you can just completely turn this option off. Or if you have a schedule created, then of course you might want to adjust it. In this case, if you have the schedule, then you probably have the color temperature option as well. So you can, for example, make it look less orange-ish. And in case the eye comfort shield is not the reason why your screen is so yellow or orange, you can also check out screen mode, because over here you might have the white balance set to warm, so you might think that it looks a little bit too yellowish. So of course you can set it to the middle over here. You can also check if you have, for example, vivid colors selected as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.